What are you doing?
Yeah, I caught one. Alright.
Excuse me.
Cool.
Alright. Excellent.
Cool.
Got a little tape. Measure it.
Cool.
Where's your measuring stick?
Got it.
Release video. Yep.
Alright.
Excellent.
Yeah, I got one. I can have a beer now.
Continue to. How big?
33.
33.
That's
I think
okay.
it's leading our group.
Yeah, I think so.
Excellent.
Alright.
Alright, Mr. Nevison, tell us where and what we got going.
Well, we're fishing 41 feet of water. We got the deepest hole here in the Rainy River. We got the 4-ounce sinker that's just barely keeping it on the bottom, and a big gob of night crawlers. So hopefully that does the trick. We'll use Dad's last little trick to get one.
Which was?
Ish skippable bill.
Ish. That is a given.
Alright.
Might have it now. Lots of boats out there. Nobody's having any luck. Well, day 2, we're mixing up the teams a little bit. Tell us what we got going.
Everyone's catching them but us.
Bill caught one right off the bat.
That boat caught one. That little boat on the other side of Bill caught one. The boat behind us, just to the north, caught one. Big Pete caught one.
Fuck. Now what's he having now?
He's having a little breakfast salad right now. To celebrate.
Alright. Well, we'll get one maybe.
Here's what we're using.
Gobble worms. 4-ounce sinker. Just now. Any luck yet?
There ain't no fish in this river.
No fish in this river.
Zero.
Rainy, no fish river.
Yep.
Let's see. That boat caught one. That boat caught one. That boat caught one.
I was like, this is a show. How we got it by Rollins?
Yeah.
Wow, this guy used to walk over to Mallory's fight. No, there's not a person in the bar.
Yeah, we do.
What if went out there, there'd be 5 guys showing up. I was pretty fucking nice.
Ernie, what do we got going here?
Well, we got our new good friend Tucker. He
Tucker?
was out in the boat today
What?
fishing.
Tucker?
Had
Hey,
a little accident, but we're gonna make things right. So, Donors, took him out of the boat.
Tucker, come on.
Tucker, here you go. Sit. Oh, look at the good boy. Oh,
You gotta have a slice of.
there you go.
He might need another piece. Come on.
There you
One
go.
more. That's a good dog. Good dog.
Good?
Did you want some more ham? He's sitting.
All right, we'll give him
One more piece. Okay, Trenner. Stay.
Okay,
Stay.
sit. Take it nice now. Take it nice.
Good
Yeah.
dog.
There you go.
All right, Tucker. Whoop whoop.
Okay.
That's a good doggy. That's a good doggy.
Where's the party?
He got a little sandwich.
Tell us what we got going today.
No big fatties. Cold. 35-degree water temp. Wind out of the north. Got caught up for effect. Big front influence.
Now,
No fish. Had one at 8:20. Could set the hook. Had the judge boat in front of me. I think the Zappas might have got a little 2-footer. Pete's rocking the vegetable salad earlier this morning than normal. Forgot the Advil this time. That's the wrap so far.
Donnie, enjoying this?
Oh, it's just lovely.
Little frost
It's
on the
fun.
windshield this morning.
I want to hear the best of it.
You want to hear the best of it? Not legally. There's 35.1 degree water.
Warm it up. 1 degree.
Here we are. All right, tell us the recipe that you got there.
Oh, great pancakes, sir.
Really?
Oh, yeah. It's tremendous. Yukon Jack. Tell you what, my wife loves Yukon Jack. I make cocktails. My wife's 73 years old, so she's slowing down.
Wife number 3.
My wife number 3, yeah. Roland's mother-in-law.
Okay.
And she'll do.
Yep.
She is. In fact, today's our 12th wedding anniversary.
Hey, congratulations,
I can
babe.
still come!
Yeah.
It's not the first time.
So, yeah. It's not the first time when it's opening of Sturgeon season.
We didn't plan that very well.
She drinks her. If she's gonna have a cocktail in the evening, it's a good
Ah, no. Well, hello.
How's it going?
Hello.
Hey there, and welcome.
Let's have the PG version of
We've
what's
got
happening today.
last day of the tournament.
Just doing some fishing.
You can see the weather conditions. It's nasty.
It's wet and wavy.
And we got about a half hour left.
Not much time left. We're trying to get
Look at
something
them frickin'
done.
waves, though.
Oh, we're
And
battling.
It's frickin' working it.
Not snowing anymore,
But it's cold.
but holy cow.
Eric, what do you got to say?
It's cold. Very
Cold. But we're
Frank, tell
toughing
us,
it out. We don't have
define
the
some of
heat
these
lamp.
guys. We got the Sheik over
No,
here.
that's-
No, that's Butch.
That's Butch.
Butch and his
His
buddy.
brother-in-law's the slave to the sheep.
Yep.
We got guys up here.
And just for the record, the heater is not on.
No.
No heat.
good.
But we've seen Pete.
Chucker,
No heat, but we've been to Pete's pub.
It's always
Chucker, we
open.
appreciate
Pub.
the use of the boat. The bimini top is awesome.
Everybody's pretty much heading back.
We love it. Here comes a warrior. You can look at the conditions
Another
out
warrior.
there.
It's not smooth.
He's going with the wind, by the way.
With the wind.
With the wind into the current.
Still 1 foot chop everywhere.
That's a nice smooth boat.
Yeah, those warriors are nice.
I told you.
They're made in Minnesota, Maple Lake.
That's why I'm looking at one, Maple Lake.
Maple Lake,
17
Minnesota.
foot. I'm serious
They
about
use
that.
a little bit of wood in their construction methods, but other than
they
that,
still?
yeah,
And we got
Still.
nothing going.
Yep, still.
Oh well.
In the transom only? Or
they're
just-
not 100% composite.
Neither is your boat.
Yeah,
I
it is.
found out from Jeannie.
The only
Balsa in the transom.
no, there's no bulk.
Whatever wood's in the transom.
There's no wood in the transom in that.
You sure?
boat.
Char, yeah.
No, don't know that.
then Butch, retired.
Yeah, we met Butch down at the dock.
Retired 40
Yeah.
Yeah, because his brother's got the heat tank.
on the first chair.
Right?
Yeah,
Same boat with the knee tech.
Yep.
They all come by. Come on over, you want a Bloody Mary? Oh yeah, we'll see you in the morning. No one ever comes. Well, you know what? We don't deliver. You come. They're there.
Tell you what,
Give us the fucking
no,
line. What is the lineup you got going here?
No, because you ain't had one, you maybe don't know.
We're never
Yeah.
gonna stop. We're never gonna be able to not stop.
Make our own vodka.
There
Oh,
you
this
go.
is homebrew vodka.
I know.
Yeah,
I got
yeah.
the peppers. Oh, here. Let him
Yes.
take a taste of that shit.
Oh no! I don't need to straight. No.
Oh no.
He
Won't-
told
it'll
me
be in the
about
glass.
bottle
Oh, you
to
won't
be
talk
careful
for a
with
week.
that.
No, we make
I heard
our
you
own
wouldn't talk
vodka.
for a week
That
with that.
would hurt a young child badly.
Okay.
Where's it at?
Get
In
it
this
out.
one here? Let me smell it.
I love it.
Take a taste of it.
I love
Let me
it.
just see how she does.
I grow the
That's actually
peppers and I put them in her. Taste it.
half
it to your
regular
lips.
vodka, half my pepper vodka.
They ain't gonna believe
Tastes a lot better than vodka.
Good thing he's recording it, 'cause
Oh,
there's our evidence.
that's-
If you had ice cubes and 2 olives, you could make a martini with just that.
That's
but
why
that's
the
cut
that's why the
The
Bloody
straight.
Mary's so good. Yeah.
That's good.
You don't put. You don't,
We cut that to
That's-
50%.
That's good stuff.
Otherwise,
there.
it'll eat
yeah,
the bottle.
like I say,
right out.
that's
Wow.
Svedka vodka.
You could take 2 of those right there. These garlic stuffed olives.
Yep.
Put a little bit of this with 4 ice cubes and a low ball for me.
A
I'd be the happiest guy you know. I'd be the happiest guy you know.
low ball.
That's my kind of martini. A little bit of olives, a little bit of vodka.
See, and I
Oh,
like
shit.
martinis, but I.
Why did I open up this beer?
Well,
We want more. We
you
want more.
That's right.
How many to catch out there today, Frank?
I wish I was a human.
Wish I was back to being human again.
Boy, let's look at this, man. You got them all lined up.
This weekend was a rough
So
weekend.
what do you do with it? You stew it in jalapenos or something?
We
or
got-
chilies?
Rollin raisins peppers are a little hot chili, really hot chilies.
Mhm.
And then his wife works for I can't remember who it is down there. Sells advertising for some big newspaper. So and she sells all the MGM liquor and that kind of stuff. And this
Oh,
stuff
okay.
we this is all Svedka vodka, which ordinarily
That's
if you
good
buy a
stuff.
1.75 up in our neck of the woods, it's $22 a bottle. Down there it might be 18.
18 and a half.
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
And it's 5 times distilled vodka, so it's good vodka. She'll
Good
get a
stuff.
sale on it. She'll get it for me for $14 a bottle.
Ooh,
So I
you
buy
got the deal
I
there.
buy-
Case.
I buy 3 cases,
Oh yeah.
and he buys a case. So then we soak them with the peppers. We let them marinate for 4 to 5
You
months.
just open the bottle and stuff it full
Stuff
of
'em in
peppers
there.
then,
and it
just
gets
leave
there's a little once the color or the flavor comes up, it goes from clear to just a little bit of a
Green?
tint to it, a little bit of a yellow tint to it. But
Yep. Like this right here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see it now. You can see it out. It's got a little tinge to it.
What are you guys saying back here?
There's a little bit of a tinge to that if you look at the bottle. And that isn't the plastic. That's not the plastic. That's from the pepper leaching in. You can't make this up. No.
That'd be
Oh, Christ.
that'd be pretty good for a martini.
Go cut more
Well,
meat from Paul
A dirty martini like I like.
Just a little glass.
Did you get it in a low ball then?
Pardon me?
That come in
Chucker,
a
you
little
feeling
low ball?
better today now?
Don't be in a hurry to drink it is what you're
Any way you
telling
get
You're
it.
cleaning up after us?
Well, the bigger the better, yeah. I suppose. So this one's in play. This one's in play. The big
Better take the lid off so he can put ice in.
Oh, yeah. This one's in
He
play.
just bought that one. He's just
I gotta break it in.
You want to drink that? Okay.
I want to break it in. If I can take that to the,
Break it in right.
I'll take that down to dinner. If I gotta.
Yeah, when we get out and party and stuff, we drink. The mornings are always Bloody Mary. My hunting shack, I got a hunting shack over in Bear River. We've had it for since 50 years, I guess.
Whew.
Got a couple 100 acres over there, and it's a nice little shack. It's 30 feet long, or 30 feet wide, 70 feet long, and
The shack?
yeah.
Sounds like a barn.
Sounds like
Sounds like a pole barn. Yeah. Him and Butch must have the sheep tied up over there.
We keep it it's heated all year round, indoor sauna, full stainless
Oh
steel
shit!
kitchen, satellite TV, big fireplace, big. Our bar is a 16-foot long white pine. We had split in half, and it's all.
We need to hunt with
You guys are
him.
really roughing it.
Yeah,
Well,
really
yeah,
rough.
but
We need to hunt with him.
I would think 8 more guys would fit in.
How long till he invites 6 of us?
But back
1, 2, 3, 4.
Sounds like a place.
Now, what do you think?
Reception.
You bring your brother-in-law up for the marriage ceremony, and then we
Oh,
head to the
yeah.
hunting shack.
He needs to invite 6
We
more
have a
of
good
us.
time
Oh.
there. But anyway, these guys, actually Roland's wife and I developed these. I come up with I found the Inferno vodka, which was the brand name at the time, and now they couldn't make it. It's made in Canada. And we were deciding how we were going to use it. I tried to make gimlets with it. It'd fucking kill you. So, me and Tracy, his wife, were sitting there one Sunday, and got a Bloody Mary. So we monkeyed around. We take 2 shots of, and because we're not, how should I say it? We drink for effect. So if you need a Bloody Mary should have a shotgun, we put 2 in. So we tried 2 shots of that, was too much. So we went to a shot of that and a shot of regular. And then we monkeyed around and tried Tabasco, and nah, that didn't work with us.
There they go!
I'll tell you what, that's to be when you're done.
They're running!
We're running!
A good start for Verrazano.
Verrazano!
God!
Is that yours?
No, do the play-by-play.
Right here.
We got.
Then it's on the inside. Fly Jack is on the far outside.
Go down, Mundo. One. Hey, Alaska. Are you 292?
No.
Bring it.